A Land Rover Defender wheel spacers worth it. As a Land Rover Defender owners, you might have a wondering if wheel spacers are a good idea for your Defender. Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are devices that fit between the wheel hub assembly and the wheels, increasing the distance between the two. They improve the appearance, handling, and clearance of your Land Rover Defender, but are they worth it? Sure. One of the main reasons why people get wheel spacers is to enhance the look of their vehicle. Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can make your wheels more flush with the fenders, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. They can also fill in the gap between the wheel hub and the brake caliper, making your brake more visible and attractive. Another benefit of wheel spacers is that they can improve the handling and stability of your Land Rover Defender. By widening the track width of your car, wheel spacers can reduce the body roll and increase the cornering grab. Land Rover Defender wheel spacers can also help you fit larger wheels and tires on your car. If you want to upgrade your wheels or tires, you might encounter some clearance issue with the stock setup. Wheel spacers can create more space between the wheel hub and the suspension component, allowing you to fit wider or bigger wheels and tires without rubbing. If you decide to get wheel spacers for Land Rover Defender, you should consider some factors before buying them. One of them is the quality of the wheel spacers. You should choose wheel spacers that are made by reputable brands and designed specially for your Land Rover Defender model and year. You should also check if they are comfortable with your wheels bolt pattern, center bolt, offset, and rigid. You should avoid cheap wheel spacers that might not fit properly or safety on your car. BONOSS Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are worth running. BONOSS wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forging made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standard, the cheap spacers that use low quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger drive safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. Being a high-end wheel spacer company, it is true that the designs are exquisite and geared toward improving performance and aesthetics. The main advantage of the wheel spacers is the active cooling. The BONOSS Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation rules to make brake cooling better. The shift in pedal shape. These rules allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as accelerators, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. The overall acceleration of the vehicle and the overall comfort of the handling performance are better, and the driving is safer, which is the best choice.